you want more leads in your business? Well, listen up for the next couple of minutes. I'm going to share with you a technique that I know works, and I know that it can make a big difference to you and your sales. So the other day I spent some time with a guy who runs a cleaning supplies business. He sells cleaning chemicals and cleaning equipment to small local businesses. So he gets supplies to a bunch of businesses, and the great thing about here in Fiji, and quite likely where you are, is that it is a nation of small businesses, and a lot of people know the people in the businesses around them. So what I suggested is next time he goes to one of the beaches where there are a number of bars and things, where he supplies one or two of them, just ask the person who runs the place that he's supplying to whether he knows the person who runs or owns the bar or restaurant next door. A lot of times they will. So once he's got that name, I suggested to him that it's okay if I use your name to go and talk to him. Most of the time they'll say yes. So here's what you do. You go next door and you say, hi, my name is such and such from such a company. I've just been speaking with X next door, and he said to come and talk to you because I supply cleaning chemicals to them, and I'd love to talk to you about how we can help you with this. It's really simple, really straightforward. Some people will go for it, some people won't. It doesn't matter. If you don't try, nothing is going to happen and nothing will improve. So here's how it works. You ask a person who runs a business, say, do you know the person who runs the place next door? A lot of times they will. So great, can I use your name if I go next door and talk to him? Yes. Most of the people will say yes. Then you go next door and say, hi, such and such next door gave me your name, said I should come and talk to you. My name is Carl and I supply cleaning chemicals to them. Is it okay if we talk about supplying cleaning chemicals for you? And oftentimes because you're there and because you've been introduced and you've not just turned up out of the blue, well, you have turned up out of the blue, but you're not coming in there as a cold call, you've been introduced, a lot of times they'll actually hear what you have to say. If they say they're busy, make an appointment to go back at a more convenient time. But the key thing is this, it's just a case of asking and then taking that next step to go and talk to somebody new. But what's good about this is the psychology is that you've been introduced by somebody they know, assuming they're on reasonable terms, and it's a door opener. Here in Fiji, a lot of business is done through introduction. Cold calls are kind of frowned on. Usually you have to say, somebody such and such gave me your name, said I should talk to you. And I would be willing to bet that a similar thing kind of happens with you. So give this a whirl, adapt it to your business. If you've got questions, please just ask in the comments below. But this worked, it's dead simple. It's a great way of spurring or stimulating introductions to other potential customers. And even better still, it's free. It's there for the asking.